Can you just show what you mean by text painting? Say a line of text and then show how a chazan might really bring it out.
Yeah, so for instance, Alter was great at that. So, too great because he painted every word. And by the time you said the Cantor Shabbos, it was not time for lunch, it was time for dinner. But still, Kachko davens through. And he makes his points, but Alter interprets everything. So anyway, so in the middle of the Cantor Shabbos, whenever he refers to Tzion, he does a certain move. So he goes, Sheta, so Sheta Aleinu, Sheta Aleinu, Besimecha Le'aretzeinu, to our land, Le'aretzeinu, Le'aretzeinu, That's sort of reminiscent of, I don't know, Exodus, a theme from Exodus, or like Yerushalayim, Yerushalayim, it's got a certain feeling. But I think he takes it right out of Puccini. Tam, tararam, taram, un beldi, tararam, tam, tam, ta, ta, tararam, tarara, tararam, tara, taram, tara, oi vera, the idle die, the idle diddle, diddle die. I love it. Le'aretzeinu. One example. Another example is like if you're saying a word like, let's say you're in Ganchoff says, let's say he goes, Baruch Atu Hashem Elokeinu melech haolam asher bidvaro, the first paragraph of my Maharim Aravi. Bechokmo poteach shorim ubitfuna mishana itim umachalif et hazmanim mishana itim umachalif et hazmanim umesader et hakochavim mishmoroteihem barakia Kiretzono umesader et hakochavim mishmoroteihem. Once you have found her, never let her go. Sorry. Barakia Kiretzono. Go lelo, it's coming. Go lelo, rolling light. Go lelo, choir, boom. Hold it. Go lelo. Go lelo. Mipenei Moshe. Or darkness, Choshech. And Golel, he does a dreidel. Golel. So there's your word painting.